Hey guys, so today I'm taking a look at the RETEKESS OTC hearing aids. Let's open up the box and see how they work. Here's the manual. Here's the device. Here's the device itself. Very small and compact. And then in here, we have all the extra accessories, like USB-C cable, extra tips, and I think this is to help it clean. Yeah, and the cleaning brush as well. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. They may look like normal earbuds, but they are actually professional Bluetooth over-the-counter hearing aids, helping those with hearing issues in a small package. And they can be used as a backup pair or as your primary hearing device. They are FDA certified hearing aids with Bluetooth for mild to moderate hearing loss. And you can also seamlessly connect your hearing aids with various devices for effortless calling, music, streaming, and video watching. They offer an easy-to-use self-testing memory function with the free app, which you can download on any device. On it, it will generate a hearing graph for you, and you just simply click on Save and Apply to Device, and the AI will automatically adjust the machine's parameters according to your hearing test graph. Perfect for first-time users. It has AI in-ear detection for anti-howling, and it is equipped with intelligent detection technology to make sure you are wearing them correctly, helping to ensure you enjoy clear and uninterrupted audio. They have an outside microphone array for noise cancellation, with the upper section dedicated to ambient noise cancellation, while the lower section expertly picks up your speech, capturing every word with precision and clarity. And with the app, you can further customize the experience like noise reduction levels, frequency response, and 4 different scene modes. And you can also customize them according to your hearing test chart. It's also equipped with 3 sizes of replaceable double-layered earplugs and cleaning tools, so you can always keep your device clean to avoid infection. The battery can last up to 48 hours on a single charge and can be charged back up when placed in the charging case, which can also be charged up with the included USB-C cable. So there is no need to worry about the battery when you are out and about. And so yeah, I definitely recommend checking out the RETEKESS hearing aids if it's something that you would need. And they would also make a great present for Father's Day coming up or any other occasion. And you can check them out in the link below. See you.